Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change every single light in your 2016 Toyota Camry. And to make it easier for you, we've time-coded everything in the description below, so you can just jump to the section for the light that you want to change. So, let's do it. Pop the hood. This is the high beam on this side on this car. You just simply reach back, turn it halfway, and it pulls right out. See this on the bottom here? So you push that and the bulb comes right out. Here's your old bulb. This was designed in 1962. This right here, beyond space age technology. Look at that. Come back here, plug this right into here till it snaps. Take this, just go right back into that same headlight, and it's in. This is the low beam. Simply reach your hand in here. That's the back of the headlight. Give it a little push, turn to the left, and it comes right out. On the back of this, there's a little button. You push that, and no, that comes right out. We're gonna swap that out for AUXITO LEDs. Here's the plug. We got this, so we're gonna plug it in until it snaps. We're plugged in down there, and all you gotta do is bring it in here and turn to the right. So let's turn these puppies on. Jack it up a little bit. And come down here, unscrew a couple of those little plastic doohickeys here. There it is. Give it a little turn to the right and out it comes. Just give that a little pull, comes right out. So now we're gonna upgrade to these AUXITO LED headlights. I mean, look at these guys. Let's take this and it snaps in. Reach back up here, push it in, turn it to the right. Don't let weak blinkers risk your safety. So you pull away the back cover, that's your turn signal on this car. Give it a quick turn to the left, and look at that. That thing's so old it looks like it belongs in Edison's laboratory in New Jersey. We're gonna upgrade this to this. 21st century technology. Look at this. Done. Put this back in here and give it a twist to the right. You're safe. Take a thin knife over here on the side, just pop in here. So you see the bulb right there? Give it a little pull, there we go. This is what we're gonna upgrade it with. Just take it and put it back in and give it a little push, close that. You just push something up into there, pop that one down. Just come in here, pull that side down, and it pops right out. This is the old, this is the new. So we're gonna put it into this side first and then into this side. So you push that in, push up, it's all nice and centered, and bam! Then you take this, open the trunk, come right in here, and that comes right out. Put a little screwdriver in there, pop it right out. Now we're gonna come inside here and push this little tab. You squeeze these and push it right out. There we go. Now, you just squeeze these two tabs and pull. Pull it out. We're gonna upgrade to these. An amazing piece of technology. Push. It just snaps back. Push it back on. Pop this in here. Put this puppy right back on there. Just push. Just gotta put the panel back on. That's it. First thing you want to do is pull this little tab on the side and it'll open right up. Then, there it goes. We're gonna upgrade with these AUXITO LEDs. Come up here, push it back in, clip it shut. And look at that, daytime in the nighttime. And that's it. Now, you know how to change every single light on a 2016 Toyota Camry. From headlights to interior lights. It's a small upgrade that makes a huge difference. Now, we did all of this with AUXITO LEDs. They're brighter, longer lasting, and much more modern than the stock bulbs. Now, if you want to make the same upgrades, just click the link in the description below.